Hello friends. In the previous video, we discussed the sudden shift in Harvard's stance on the carnivore diet and explored its implications. Now, in this video, we continue to dive deeper into the controversies surrounding the carnivore diet and the influence of the plant-based food industry. If you haven't seen the previous video, make sure to check it out first. Please like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Let's continue. Plant-based foods and Harvard's shift in stance. The dramatic shift in Harvard's stance on the carnivore diet has raised questions about external influences, especially from the rapidly growing plant-based food industry. This industry, backed by major food corporations, has positioned plant-based products as healthier, more sustainable, and ethical alternatives to animal-based foods. Well-established financial ties between the plant-based food industry and academic institutions like Harvard, through donations and research funding, have led many to speculate on the impartiality of recent research. Could Harvard's reversal of its position on the carnivore diet be linked to this influence? Critics argue that research funded by companies with vested interests may be skewed, raising concerns that the 2024 reports on the carnivore diet may be biased in favor of plant-based agendas. This could mislead the public into making health choices that might not be fully supported by unbiased evidence. Top 5 health conditions healed by the carnivore diet. Now let's move to the top 5 chronic health conditions that have shown remarkable improvements through the carnivore diet, based on scientific studies and personal testimonials. Type 2 diabetes. The carnivore diet has been shown to significantly improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels, as highlighted in the 2020 Harvard study. Many people have been able to reduce or eliminate their dependence on diabetes medications by following this diet. Autoimmune disorders. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus benefit from the carnivore diet's anti-inflammatory effects. Significant reductions in inflammatory markers, such as C-reactive protein, have been documented, leading to relief from symptoms. Cardiovascular disease. Despite concerns about saturated fat, the 2020 Harvard study showed improvements in lipid profiles for carnivore diet participants, with increased HDL and decreased triglycerides, both crucial markers of heart health. Obesity. Participants in the Harvard study reported an average weight loss of 12% of their body weight, achieved without calorie counting. The carnivore diet's ability to trigger ketosis promotes fat burning and long-term weight management. Mental health conditions. Many individuals have reported improved mental clarity, reduced anxiety, and better mood regulation while following the carnivore diet. This may be attributed to the brain's steady supply of ketones and reduced inflammation. Final thoughts. Harvard's sudden change in stance on the carnivore diet raises important questions about the influence of corporate interests in public health research. Could the plant-based food industry be driving this shift? It's essential to critically evaluate information and seek unbiased sources when it comes to our health. The carnivore diet has shown great promise in helping many individuals with chronic conditions. While the debate rages on, we urge you to explore the diet's benefits for yourself, guided by evidence and personal experiences. What's your opinion on the carnivore diet? Have you experienced any health or financial benefits? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to become a member of our growing carnivore community. By the way, there are some facts about saturated fat consumption that might surprise you. Click the video on the screen to find out more. See you there.